Hello, welcome to being Shuneka. Okay, hope you enjoy the presentation that I'm gonna do making flaxseed gel and aloe vera gel, and also how I apply it to my hair, and somewhat of how I got this style too. Yes. Let's see. Keep watching. Alright, so I did wash my aloe vera. I'm just gonna start off by cutting the ends of it off. And I'm gonna put it in some water. See that? It's yellow, that poison from the aloe vera is in there. So I'm gonna pour that out, and then I'm gonna fill it again because I don't want any of that yellowish poison in there. And then when the water is clear and I feel that it's safe, I'm gonna blend it up, okay? I'm gonna try my best to show you how I make my flaxseed gel on my little burner thing that I bought. Like a little presentation and all, but anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on high. I haven't used this before, so I don't know how it's gonna work. 9 ounces of water. 1/3 cup. This is actually a teaspoon and a half. So I didn't quite fill it up. Stir. Go ahead and add some of my avocado oil. I'm not gonna fill this up. I'm just putting a little bit in there, you guys. I don't know if you could tell, but not a lot. So as you can see, it's starting to boil. The foam is starting to accumulate. Okay. Yeah, it's forming pretty nicely. It's been about 7 minutes. So now I'm just gonna turn it off, you guys, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a minute. The water is clear enough for me. I'm just taking this and splitting it. I'm just scraping it out. Like half a cup. Just pour it in there, and I'm gonna blend it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemongrass, olive oil. It brings a lot of shine and moisture to my hair, and I like it. I'm just gonna set that to the side. Now I'm gonna take my cheesecloth, just put it on my bowl. Scrape all that out. This is a messy process, but it's worth it. Healthy gel for your hair, baby. So I ended up with about a half a cup of flaxseed gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my aloe vera mix to my flaxseed gel. So the oil's mixed in there pretty good. I'm gonna use a fork. It's gonna sit here for a little bit. So my hair is sectioned off. Turn around and show you what my braiding pattern looks like. Just little braids here in the front, and just braids on the side, kind of swooped to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my twist, showing you what I did to prep my hair, okay? So I use my buttercream. And my buttercream is just butters and different oils mixed together. Now I'm gonna use this Cream of Nature mango and shea butter. Moisturizer. So that's how I prepare each section. Go ahead and get started. So you guys, on my flaxseed gel, what I should have did, I should have used less aloe vera gel, but it's okay. It turned out right. you know, it still can be used, okay? But if you want your mixture thicker, you know, I recommend using less aloe vera gel, okay? Because as you saw in the video, my flaxseed gel, it was pretty thick. It's looking like it's doable, baby. But that's okay, because we're gonna make it work, baby. Since it was a lot thinner than what I anticipated, I put it in my little applicator bottle. Okay. Hopefully this will make it a lot easier. And now I'm gonna make sure I get some on my ends. Go ahead and get this out of my way. And since I don't want it to look too spacey, I'm not gonna really worry about my parting too much on doing my twist, okay? Yeah, I see I did try to make sure I parted that pretty good. I thought I did. I was pleased. Do wanna make sure it's smooth out. So I'm just taking 2 pieces and I'm twisting. It's slippery, so be careful when I kind of give it a pull. Try to keep my twist tight. Just twist, baby. And on these, I'm not gonna twist all the way, for sure. Because when I was taking down my other twist, I had to be really careful, especially in my front, because the front of my hair is so thin, you know, kind of tangling up. And I did kind of have to cut some of it off, so I'm gonna be careful with that. Just in case that's helpful to you. You don't wanna lose hair. Well, I guess you don't. It really don't feel as slippery as I thought it would feel, especially because I did put oil in my mixture. When you make your fenugreek, your aloe vera, whatever, you know, do it how you want to do it, okay? Make it your own, baby. Just be ground, okay? You know, I ain't gotta tell you. Do you, boo-boo? I enjoy showing you what I do, you know, for my hair. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Yes, I do. I'm having a pretty good day, y'all, but believe it or not, my hair is hurting. My hair is throbbing. They're gonna be gone soon. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my twisting off camera, and I'll be right back. Oh, I am done. Still a little damp, so I'm just gonna take sections of it and then I'm gonna plait it up. My hair is dry, so I'm just taking down my plaits that I did. I like that. Just spin around. Yeah, it gets my happy dance. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a good one, all right? See you next time. Bye.